Morning, we're going to look at minute 61. Let's look at the directions first. For numbers 1 through 4, circle the correct article, a or an, in each sentence. Hint, use a before words that begin with a consonant. Use an before words that begin with a vowel. And a vowel are the letters A, E, I, O, U. So let's look at number 1 and read the sentence. I have a or an ant from my ant farm at home. Now we're going to look at the word right after the article, which is the word ant. And I'm looking to see what that starts with. That starts with an A. Well, I have a ant. Those two letters, when they're together like that, they don't like each other. So they need an N in there. So it's I have an ant farm at home. Let's look at number 2. Our school has a or an big library. Well, I'm looking at the word right after the article, and I'm looking at the first letter, which is a B. It is not a vowel. It does not start with A, E, I, O, or U, so we can use A. I am getting an new pair of shoes. Look at the word right after the article. Look at the first letter N. That is also not a vowel, A, E, I, O, or U, so I can use the word A. Remember, I just can't have two vowels right next to each other like that. A or an apple is a healthy snack. Apple is my word right after the article. I look at the first letter A, and these two don't like each other, so they need an N in between them. Let's look at the second piece of this. For numbers 5 through 10, write the correct article, a or an, that goes before each word. So remember, I'm looking at the first letter after each word. So I'm looking at the T. That is not a vowel, so we can use A. M. That's not a vowel, we can use A. Egg. That is a vowel, A, E, I, O, U. So we need to use the word an. Nose, N. That's not a vowel, we can use A. Iron, A, E, I, O, U. That is a vowel, so we use an. Teacher, T. That's not a vowel, so we can use the word A. Good job on the front. Let's go ahead and turn to the back side, please, to look at some math. First problem at the top is a subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0. If I have 6 of something, I cannot take 7 from it, so I need to borrow from the 8. 8 becomes a 7, 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 7. Folks, if you don't know this, use your fingers. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. And 7 minus 3 is 4. 32 divided by 8. I need 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to count up to 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And in each circle I have 4 tally marks. I can also turn that around and say 8 times 4 equals 32. I have 3 numbers I'm adding together. I know 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 more is 11, carry the 1. 7 plus 3 is 10, 11, 12, 13. My answer is 131. Looking at this shape, there are blank angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 angles and sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are 6 sides to the shape. 3 divided by 21. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And then I'm going to count the marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each one of them have 7. 23 times 2 is really 23 plus 23. So I'm going to go 3 plus 3 is 6, 2 plus 2 is 4, and my answer is 46. We're going to see which one is greater than, less than, or equal. I'm going to look at my thousands place, and I know right away 5 is bigger than a 4, so the mouth is open to the 5. Look at my thousands place, they are the same. So I'm going to go to my hundreds place, 9, 7. 9 is bigger. Circle the figure that is congruent. Congruent means same size, same shape. Congruent means same size, same shape. So I have a little star here, and even though this is turned sideways, if I would turn it the other way, it's still the same size and the same shape. I have a heart here. Even though this heart is turned this way, if I turned it around, it would be the same size and the same shape. Good job on minute 61. Please put your paper in your cubby and go see Miss Hartung for a piece of candy. Then you may get on Lexia Core 5.